Today we present the EV battery connector of ICIL. This battery connectors gives better performance to your bike. We offer ICIL male and female EV connectors. ICIL connectors ensure fast charging. These connectors come with the highest quality standards. It is a more robust electric battery connector. This is used in the batteries amp charging stations of electric vehicles. ICIL is a brand that produces the highest quality of products with innovative design. In new era, connectors are used in a vast range of applications. These connectors have seen the greatest boom in EV sector. People are happy with electric vehicles. We serve the biggest clients from EV and other industries. To know more, you can connect with us by given means of communication.